What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a very delayed episode of Modify Weekly. And it's been a while. It's been actually quite a considerable amount of time.
3 months.
3 months. We've kind of got a habit of taking nice long breaks from this channel, but we always come back. So today we've just got like maybe a few minutes of us talking. So we'll put a little bit on the screen so you know when to skip if you don't want to listen to us chatting shite. And then we got some point of view golf driving, which is actually pretty cool. And yeah, so here's a little explanation. We are here with Bazza and the newest member, Harvey, the Modified Weekly apprentice, tying the laces, and his Fiesta ST, the Civic, that isn't sold, isn't broken,
Non-moving.
is a fully finished turbo build, but there is some issues, so I'll go through that in a minute. And then obviously the rust bucket and the work van. Right, so in regards to the Civic, I left it sitting there for about a month and a half due to winter and that, and like the icy roads and really wet puddles and that. I didn't really want to risk anything with it because it's like, I'm a bit of a pussy, so it's a bit scary as it is. And so I just left it sitting there, and then the battery ended up dying. And then the ECU, it's a Honda, I've got a Honda K-Pro V2 in there, so it's not the newest, but it's not the oldest. But there must be a little bit of a bug with the map, and it just keeps, bug with the ECU, and it just keeps removing the maps. So it removed it last week, because it was the first time I went to drive it in about over a month.
It's not it.
What is it?
It's shit from my car.
Why is that coming off your
I
car?
don't know.
You cleaned it half an hour ago.
It was only washed this morning.
Alright, let's stop fucking shitting on my car, yeah?
Oh, the phone's out.
It's green.
At least your car runs. Not running base map. And yeah, so last weekend, drove back up to the old Jesse Alford, and he bench uploaded the map. It run, stop picking my alloys. It run absolutely spot on for the day. Parked it up, and the battery needed jumping again because I didn't actually get enough charge in it to leave it overnight for a couple of days. And I went to fire it up again today, and it's just completely shit the map again. So I'm gonna need to get Jesse to send that over. So I've got to upload it every time the car dies, which is a bit annoying. And there's an airplane. Right, the airplane's gone. So EP3 runs, makes boost, and it's absolutely fucking savage when it runs.
When it runs.
When it runs.
If it runs.
It does run. It runs base map, so it drives like shit. It runs, it drives. I just need to get the file and I need to get the ECU sorted, so I don't need to keep uploading it. But the EP3 is back now. The weather's better, and hopefully start modding the R32 and Harvey's Fiesta ST if he ever wants to order an exhaust.
Who knows what's going on.
Right, so again, I just want to apologise that it's been so long between uploads, that we've had such a break, but obviously life does get in the way of hobbies sometimes, because that's all the channel is. We don't make any money off of it, like barely anything. And then so obviously we've got jobs and all that, and life just gets in the way sometimes. I've just bought a house, Baz just got a new job, Harvey's just fucking Harvey. And yeah, so had a little bit going on at the moment, so we just haven't really had a chance to do mods and upload at all. But I do have one in.
So yeah, we're just going to follow this with a goodbye for now, and here's some POV driving of the Golf. So we're going to go for a POV drive. See if my arm feels great. You all wanted it, so those windows down. Literally just cleaned it, so. It's gonna be busy. Yep, this goes pretty quick. Rather quick.